Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a new exhibition video, and these are the March prizes for the drawing winner to choose from. There's a three-fer, what do you call that, a triptych, and you can have 3 of any of the other paintings in combination, and also I am going to include the remainder of what was left from the February drawing after the winner has chosen, or the winners have chosen their choices, and that may include the 16 by 20 inch. And if you happen to enter the drawing by contributing through PayPal or Patreon, the icon is on my YouTube channel banner in the bottom right hand corner, and the links are on my link tree below the video. You'll be automatically entered as long as your email address is up to date, and when I send you a confirmation email, you will have to send me a phone number to have it legitimized. So I have an easy way to contact you if you're a winner, so that would be good. So there will be a 7700 slideshow coming with all the numbers attached to the artworks, and most of them will be in here, and there will be more than is what here. This is just February's paintings. If you want to inquire about the price of anything, use my email address below the link tree underneath Show More. It's EASPB and the word gallery at gmail.com. And keep track of the time that you saw, whatever you saw. For now, that's the best way to find things. I'm going to get these out of the way because I'm going to have to remove this black canvas. And it's going to be blank space for a moment. And then I'm going to show you my 2 books because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. They are available on the Amazon link below Show More. On the link tree, yeah, if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, helps me buy more artwork. So I'm going to start with a 20 by 24 inch painting. It's the only 20 by 24 inch painting there is in this grouping, and probably most groupings won't have too many of them. So there is shimmer in this. I'm not sure how to show it to you, but I'm going to give it my best shot. I'm going to zoom out so you can actually see the whole painting. Yeah, that's way, way better. Alright, so I'm going to be up and down my little ladder quite a few times. I do have a do-over, and this is a 16 by 20. That has some really intense things in it. And I'm not sure it's 100% done, but it might be. Let's see if I can zoom in. I don't think we can do a whole lot of zooming in right now, but you can always ask to see something again on the community board on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna get moving and keep moving if I can. So I've got a couple of rounds. There's another do-over. I'm gonna try and get my stuff so I can actually move around in my studio. I really like how that turned out. This is another do-over. It was an okay painting behind there. I'm not sure. I could tell you that if you were looking for it, I don't know what the old number was, but there's a lot of shimmer in there. And I'm going to show you smaller paintings right now. Make sure you can see things. I think my camera's lens is ready to be recalibrated. And that means I might not be as focused as I'd like to be, but as long as I'm close enough for you guys to see some stuff, I'll show you that that shimmers. I wish I could get up close and figure out which way the best shimmer is. Seems like that way. This was a do-over also. I'm not sure that video is aired yet. I'm going to try and shimmer paintings at you and also get the right sizes. And this could be a little bit challenging for me right now. That's still in focus. That's a video that's coming. I'm going to zoom out. That's got some purple flash in here and some blue color changing. This was from a 2-for. This may be painting pair that was on Paint Adventures Priscilla Batzell, my other channel, which doesn't have 1,000 subscribers, and it doesn't have very many views ever. So this is one of my shovel pours that I love. This is something I really like. I'm not sure. I can't remember every single painting, I gotta tell you what. And I'm gonna, that was some nasty leftovers that turned out to be pretty nice. I'm gonna move these out of the way and start to hope that I can get my 16 by 20s in here. Let's make sure that I get them the right size. I could zoom in on that for a second. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to succeed. Let's see if I'm absolutely square. Right there, and let's zoom out so I can show you 16 by 20s. I'm going to try and go, this one is 2 directions. I like it both horizontally and vertically, to tell you the truth. So I'm going to try and zoom in. Move that other painting out of the way. And continue on. That was a double swipe. This one has a lot of shimmer. That last one has a lot of shimmer too. I don't know if I can show you all that. I should have showed you the one before it as well. Shimmery. I love the shimmer. This is the Hot Orchid in here that was not my regular pouring medium. It's just a little water. This is a do-over, and I liked the first painting, but it was a little bland, and I don't know if you can see the shimmer in that, but it's dynamite. The colors in there are just totally awesome. It looks like the inside of a mussel shell or a mother of pearl. Let's make sure my paintings fell over. Pick them up again and hope that they stay upright this time. This is a chain pole with a lot of beautiful shimmer, a lot of gold, dark mother of pearl-ish. This is a recently aired painting. Every time I do this, I try and get more organized, and I'm not sure it ever works. But at least my studio gets cleaned. So let's have a bunch of paintings come down here. That was the Meaden paint. I love this painting. Making cells. This was more Meaden as well. The black just pops cells like crazy. This one took me a minute to get used to, but I really like it now. That's got some shimmer to it. I love how the Hot Orchid will bleed into the gold and things. It just floats my boat. This is a wild one. I think I pulled out all my stops at the very last second. I love that. That was one of the first really curvaceous Meaden pours. I can't zoom in too much more. If I have another vertical painting, I won't be able to show you. And I probably will. This is coming up soon. Black and white with Meaden. Pretty cool. And it's all in frame too. Yay! This is very shimmery and a mysterious moon, which might actually have to be its title. It's got a beautiful Venetian blue sky. Lots of cool cells. This was a lot of people were interested in this. I want to do some more of these. I want to cut it off halfway and make trees and see what happens with that. I love this painting. Which reminds me, not all of my paintings are for sale. But you can ask about anything you want. Looks like I have a little bit of shimmer to share. Bring some more stuff in. This one I'm not sure it's completely 100% done. I think this one might get another treatment, although now that I look at it, I actually really like it a lot. This I love too. This is just super simple, and I think I could go sideways as well as up and down. This is intense. There's a video coming really soon. A lot of these have not been shared with you as far as videos go, because I have videos posted in advance. That's all in screen. That's more Meaden. This is my style. This is abstract expressionism the way I like it, for certain. I just love this. I wouldn't care if it didn't have any shimmer, but it does have some shimmer. And a few dog hairs. So I don't know how far we'll get through today. I'm not sure, I'm not 100% on this yet. This may be a stage 1. And I'm not entirely sure which way I want it to, but there's some great shimmer in there, which way I want it to be up either. I love this. I'm going to be doing some more of these neutral tone artworks with the copper and the gold and the silver. It's weird that so many of these, oh, this was like one of the first ever of the Meaden that blew my mind. Might even be part of the title of that painting. Blew my mind. I love this. Like imaginative darkness, or just something very magical about that. And I love it. This, sans dog hair, is fine just like it is. It's just sleek and chic, and it's got beautiful iridescent blues and turquoises and color shifting green gold, and it's just gorgeous. If you like water. Here's a landscape. I wasn't positive it was done, but the more times I look at it, the more times I'm convinced it is done. I wonder how much time I have left. Ooh, I'm running out of time. I love this. I am not going to get through all of this video. Maybe I'll have to make a second video to go through everything else. I'll just keep moving as fast as I can. Love this. This is a video coming up. Love that. The next one I had left over from last month, and I recall I don't think I showed you guys the dry version of the skin trees, and I wanted to make sure I did that. I'm going to share with you, what else am I going to share with you? I'm going to hope things stop falling over. I'm going to share with you whatever I can share with you as quickly as I possibly can. This might be a stage 1. I love this. I'm not shimmering things at you well enough, but I am going faster. Now you will see a lot of these in the slideshow with the numbers, and make sure that if you want to, let me know that you have something in mind that you'd like to have, that you'd like to own. Write down the time you saw it and make a reference to it when you email me. These are 10 by 20s. I love that. That has a pearlescent sky. That has a wonderful red sky. These are some geometrics with the Meaden paint, experiments with yellow, and I'm so glad I did that. That might be a while before you see that. You should make, when you see the slideshow, grab the number off of the artworks. That way you can use the search box on YouTube and find out when those videos in particular will air. Let's make sure we're in frame. Yeah, we're still in frame. But unfortunately, I'm going to be doing 12 by 24s in a second, so I'm going to take these out. Whoa, crash. Excuse me. I'll just slide a couple little babies in there for the moment. I was kind of hoping to share with you the 2800s, but I'm not sure that that's going to happen. I have a few. Oh, wow, that's too tiny. Sorry about that. This was from last month, and I didn't think I was going to like it, and it dried just magnificently. And there's definitely a video, but I think I did a lot of work on that after the video was over, too. I believe this was from last month also, and I'm pretty sure that I did not include that. I didn't share that, but correct me if I'm wrong. Don't worry about it. Here come the 12 by 24s. I'm going to zoom out and make sure you can see all of that. Ooh, that's so pretty. Yeah, loving that. We'll give you some shimmer. I sold this. This is gone. Don't get your hopes up. This is getting shipped out. I do installment payments. This is being paid for until it's in my house until May. Be very careful of that since someone else owns it. This is awesome. This was a stage 2 swipe with a beveled acetate card. I have some really awesome swipes coming up that I love, love, love. Let's take that one that belongs to someone and put it someplace safe. I just had to share. Okay, I've got 2 minutes left to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. And you can find my email address to contact me underneath the link tree, underneath the video. I love this. I think a lot of people love this. This was a recent video. This is similar to another one we just saw. It was a series on a day. This is one of my favorites ever, of all time probably. This is grass. This one needs to be seen in person to be appreciated fully, I believe. Okay, well it looks like I have just enough time to share with you some of my beautiful 7800s. I hope. And I'm going to give it a shot in any case. Yes, I so love this painting. This one's not for sale, but there will be prints. And it shimmers like a son of a gun. You can always approach me. Even if I say something's not for sale, I'm approachable. Look at the sky in that. That's amazing. This one is interesting too. I'm not sure which way this goes. I kind of think it might go that way for you guys. It reminds me of flames. This has got the hot orchid, and it is just phenomenal. Love that too. Let me see if I can find some more really quickly. And then we are done. When that timer goes off, I'll have 1 minute left and I will have fit everything in. These are the 7800 series. The most recent paintings I've done. And that is a swipe. I love this style swipe. It reminds me of everything that I love about abstract expressionism. Just floats my boat. Let's zoom in. I got 1 minute left. Can I do it? Can she do it? Yes! I hope so. That is as close to Blue Musk as Mead & Paints will get me, and I'm not going to give up trying. I'm just going to keep going. That's a new swipe. Excuse me. That's a new swipe scape. This one I called Angel Wing. I think I need a little more black on the bottom of that. That's from yesterday, so I better be careful not to... These paintings are not particularly dry yet, so caution is necessary. I haven't even photographed them. I love this painting. This might be my new favorite at the moment. This one was started out as an orb, and it's not anymore. And this is another swipe that I was trying to reproduce something that I made recently that it kind of didn't work out. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you because it helps me buy art supplies. If you'd like to make a donation through PayPal or Patreon, you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing that will be held at the end of March 31st around 6 p.m. And it will include all of the paintings that you saw at the beginning of this video and the residuals from the February drawing, whatever the two winners, first and second place, chose. Other than them. My two books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And the link tree has all kinds of stuff. Please give me a thumbs up, like my videos, share my videos, watch them longer, and watch them when the notifications come out. And you will be a great assistance to me. And thank you so much for all of your kind words and your support. I really appreciate you guys so much. I love you. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida.